Yeah, Gary, just come on. That was cool, Brandon. You can't climb it. Get on!
Yo, Bather, what the heck?
Jab, just a jab.
No jab.
None of that shit. All right, how about this right here? So
We're getting a full angle camera view angle.
Right on the knee.
no, I'm not talking about like this. How much you get right back?
Alright, fine.
Don't be going like this. Oh my God! Damn!
I missed.
That shit's still Charlie boned me though.
Oh. Chuck! I'm pushing you more.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. We're currently walking on the highway going crazy.
Wait, are you sponsored?
Colonel. It's Colonel.
Colonel. Wait, you're not getting paid.
What do you mean?
Can't have that advertisement.
No one watches my videos. Move. Bather, hit us with a move.
You remember?
Move. Dude, be my.
Let's go circle around. You go back. Wait, go right and then go.
So, my brother, right? Check it. We're in a mall right now in some freaking arcade, and my brother bought me this. But the only reason he bought me this, he made a deal that I had to buy another shirt. I had to wear this around the whole mall. So I go MF it crop top on, bruh.
Well, Patriots won. Patriots won. Hey, Ryan in your face.
All right, what's up, young slimes?
What's poppin', slime?
That's gonna be the video. So like, comment, and subscribe.